Born in Bavaria, this company reshaped aviation from fragile metal frames to jet-powered legends. This is every Messerschmitt aircraft ever built, from first flight to the modern era. First of all early BFW or M-series. M.17. Messerschmitt's first successful powered aircraft. Extremely lightweight and efficient, it set multiple records and proved the company's engineering potential from the very beginning. M.18. The world's first all-metal transport aircraft. It proved duralumin construction was stronger, lighter, and more reliable than wood and fabric. Next, M.20. An early passenger airliner carrying up to 10 people. It helped establish commercial aviation when flying was still rare and expensive. M.21. A rugged two-seat trainer designed for beginners. Its forgiving handling made it ideal for student pilots learning basic flight skills. M.22. An experimental twin-engine bomber concept. It never entered service but showed Messerschmitt's early military ambitions. Next, M.23. A small, efficient civilian aircraft that won several competitions. Popular for its low operating cost and excellent performance. M.24. A short-range regional airliner. Designed for smooth, stable flight on early commercial routes. M.26. A light utility aircraft with an enclosed cabin. Used for training, touring, and private aviation. M.27. A racing and aerobatic aircraft built for speed. Sleek, agile, and designed purely for performance. M.28. A dedicated mail aircraft. Strong, reliable, and capable of flying long distances in poor weather. Next, M.29. A highly advanced design for its time. Excellent aerodynamics delivered impressive speed and efficiency. M.31. An advanced trainer for high-speed flight. Responsive controls prepared pilots for faster military aircraft. M.33. An ultralight aircraft aimed at mass ownership. Cheap to fly and simple to maintain. M.35. A stunning aerobatic aircraft. Famous for dominating airshows across Europe in the 1930s. Next, M.36. A large experimental cabin aircraft. Tested new construction techniques for future long-range designs. M.37. A high-speed transport prototype. Influenced later fast liaison and transport aircraft. Now moved to BFW M-series, World War II era. BF-108 Typhoon. A revolutionary civilian aircraft with retractable landing gear. Faster than many military planes of its era. BF-109. The Luftwaffe's primary fighter. Fast, agile, and heavily armed. One of the most produced fighters in history. Next, BF-110. A twin-engine heavy fighter. Failed as a day escort but became a deadly night fighter. Me-155. A high-altitude interceptor. Large wings allowed operation where most aircraft could not fly. BF-161. A fast reconnaissance prototype. Never entered mass production. Next, BF-162. A competitor for the fast bomber role. Ultimately rejected in favor of other designs. BF-163. A short takeoff liaison aircraft. Only limited numbers were built. Me-163 Comet. A rocket-powered interceptor. The fastest aircraft of World War II, and one of the most dangerous. Me-164. Heavy transport research aircraft, enlarged fuselage, cargo emphasis. Me-208. Improved Typhoon variant, refined landing gear, cleaner lines. Me-209. Speed record aircraft, extremely streamlined fuselage, raceplane appearance. Me-209-2. Advanced fighter prototype, modernized nose, refined wings. Me-210. Twin-engine heavy fighter, angular fuselage, mid-mounted wings. Me-261 a Dolphin. Long-range aircraft, extended wings, unusual proportions. Me-262. Twin-engine jet fighter, swept wings, underwing jet nacelles. Me-263. Rocket interceptor with landing gear, improved Me-163 shape. Me-264. Large four-engine bomber, long wingspan, intercontinental design. Me-309. Advanced piston fighter, tricycle landing gear, smooth nose. Me-310. Refined heavy fighter, improved aerodynamics, balanced proportions. Me-321. Gigantic wooden transport glider, massive wings, cavernous fuselage. Me-323. 6-engine transport aircraft, bulky fuselage, heavy lift design. Me-328. Small experimental jet, minimal structure, emergency fighter look. Me-334. High-altitude interceptor, pressurized cockpit bulge, long wings. Me-349 Nada. Vertical launch rocket aircraft, upright nose, short wings, missile-like body. Me-410. Heavy fighter bomber, twin engines, refined aggressive form. Me-509. Jet fighter concept, sleek futuristic WWII era design. Me-109TL. Jet-powered BF-109 variant, jet intakes integrated into classic airframe. Project P.101. Variable sweep wing jet concept, futuristic experimental fighter design. Now moved to post-war, Spain. HA-100 Triana. Post-war piston trainer, clean lines, simple military trainer look. HA-200 Saida. Twin-engine jet trainer, straight wings, early jet era styling. HA-300. Delta wing interceptor, sharp nose, minimalist fuselage. HA-1112. Spanish BF-109 variant, British engine intake, classic World War II fighter shape. L-112 Buchan. Distinctive chin intake, movie-famous fighter profile. Helwan HA-300. Refined delta wing interceptor, high-speed jet form. Next move to post-war, Czechoslovakia. Avia S-92 CS-92. Jet fighter based on Me-262, straight wings, twin jet nacelles. Avia S-99 CS-99. Post-war BF-109 variant, transitional military styling. Avia S-199. Awkward nose, large propeller, hybrid fighter appearance. Last MBB and modern era. Bo 105. Light helicopter, rigid rotor system, compact fuselage. BK 117. Twin-engine helicopter, rescue configuration, modern civilian styling. Lampirid. Stealth demonstrator, for seat surfaces, angular black aircraft. Panavia Tornado. Variable sweep wing jet, low-level strike configuration. Eurofighter Typhoon. Modern Delta Canard fighter, aggressive stance, advanced jet design.